Sorry, Travis.
What the heck, man? You're suffocating me.
Well, you did just sabotage my shower. I was enjoying that until it went freezing cold.
What's going off out there? Are we under attack?
It's fireworks. It's Bonfire Night.
What is a bonfire night?
Well, more like Bonfire 3 month anyway. As soon as they start selling them in shops, they think they can sell fireworks every night.
What the heck is it all about?
It's about a man called Guy Fawkes who tried to blow up Parliament having a very long time ago.
Is this going to be a long story?
Alright, then I'll not tell you a story then.
Ah, they're firing on the house. They're firing on the house. We're under attack. We're under attack.
We're not under attack. That's me. Look, if you're that scared, why don't you go and hide in the basement or something?
Hide in the basement with the spiders? I'd rather be crushed by you.
Fine, okay.
Wait, what? What? I didn't mean... Oh, man.